The Rock Whisperer. Do you hear the earth talking to you?
Okay, so now it's time to start putting stuff into our notebooks. I have, first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the average chemical composition from page 1 of our reference table. You'll get one of these wonderful sheets, and we'll talk about how we have to cut that out in a second. You have a pair of scissors, and you'll have your glue, and we'll need our notebook in a little bit. So the first thing you need to do is on this top one is you need to cut out along the outside black line. On the bottom, you need to cut out here, and slightly, you need to go above where it says average chemical composition. Now that we have these two pieces here, what we need to do is to cut on these strips, but only to where this line would continue across. So right up to under the H and right up to under the S. One of the easiest ways to fold this is probably to use a ruler. So we want to fold right along, put the ruler right along this bottom part here, and then fold these up and over. So there's going to be 3 individual parts that we're going to have. So it should look something like that when we're done. All right, now it's time to put these into our notebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the first 3 pages blank for this time. I'm going to start here. This is going to be page 1. We're going to want to put this on the page on the bottom part. So with our glue, let's put some dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 in the middle. Flip it over. You'll have your lines on your paper to help line it up. And about 2 lines down should be good. So we have that. The next thing we're going to do is we want to put some glue on just this long part here, which we're going to call the tab. I'm going to put 3 dots on that. Then going to take this and cover over the other part that's already there. Make sure when this is flipped up, you can still see the words crust, hydrosphere, and troposphere. So when these fold down, when we see something on chart and it talks about the troposphere, we should know that it's right there because it's on the top of the chart, but it's also referred to as atmosphere and air. Water is our hydrosphere, and the lithosphere is our land, which is also called the crust. So there is our first one complete for our notebook.
Don't forget to listen to the earth. You just may hear